Kusma Kumari Ma'am, Dean, Student Progression Cell, Professor of Mathematics. Student is the backbone for the event since its commencement. Her organization skills and commitment brought this event on track. Dr. M. Dhanraju Sir, convener of Maitri 2026.
Next, I take the privilege to welcome co-convener Maitri 2026, Dr. P.G. Ramanujan Sir. Now I feel honored and privileged to welcome and enlist valuable presence of Honorable Pro-Chancellor and Managing Director of all guidance institutions, Sri K. Sasikiran Varma Sir. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. I feel honored and privileged to invite the great head of Chaitanya Group of Institutions, Sri K.V.V. Satyanarayana Raju Sir. I deem it an honor to invite presence of Honorable Dr. U. Chandrasekhar Sir. Now I take privilege in welcoming the man of prudence and cognitive excellency, respected Dr. K.V.B. Raju Sir.
Next, I found honor to welcome the presence of respected Dr. M.P.M.S. Sarma Sir. Next, I take the opportunity to welcome respected Dr. M. Srinivas Rao Sir, Director Administration.
I also welcome principals of all colleges, deans, directors and HODs. Now let us all join for lamp lighting.
Bhaskar Durga, M.Tech CSE, Snehalata MBA, Snehalata MBA, Kelvium with 9.09 CGPA. All GGU students are over. Anybody is left here? Mining, Koduru Santosh. Pavan Aditya from Mechanical, Lakshmi Shamla from EC, Purna Teja CSC, Manoj Kumar from all GGU students are over or somebody is students? Anybody is left? What's your Lahari Prasanna. Siri Kalyan Santosh from BSc Chemistry, Krishna Veni from BCA, D Satya BBA, G Yamini BBA, Rishita from BCom. Congratulations, students. You can ask your parents also to accompany. Now I'd like to call the second year toppers. Yagna Meenakshi. Sri Lakshmi Durga from CSE DS. Kirtana, you can come and stand. Kavya Narayan, Meghna, Shruti, you can come and stand down and one by one you can come to the stage. Applause please. Claps please. Kirtana, Kavya Narayan, Meghna, from CPT, Konathala Shruti from AOTT, Suhasini from RDT, Parents also are please requested to join along with students. Shruti, Pranita EMCT, Harish MLT, Harsha Durga CVT, Divya, BSc, please come forward. Come with your parents. I'll read out once again. Mallikarjun from Automobile, Harika from Civil, Santosh Kumar from AI, Naga Swapna, CSE, Naga Shauryasri from ECE, Rakesh from EEE, and Shiva Durga from Mechanical. Congratulations to all the students, all the toppers. Next, I would like second year students to be ready. Baba Lal, Automobile, Bhargav from AI, Teja Shri from CSE, Vijay Durga from Civil, Nuka Raju from ECE, Subramaniam from EEE, Dinesh Kumar from Mechanical, and Srivardhan from Mining. I'll read out the names once again. All students come forward. Preetham Babalal, Automobile, Bhargav, AI, Tejashri, CSE, Vijay Durga, Civil, Nuka Raju, ECE, Subramaniam, EEE, Dinesh Kumar from Mechanical, and Srivardhan from Mining. Students, come forward with your parents. Claps please. Audience, encourage our toppers. Thank you to all parents and students.
I take the honor to invite Sri Veeraya Gaud Garu, Circular Inspector Rajanagram, to come on to the dais. We feel honored and thanks to his cooperation in managing the traffic issues since a long time. So please.
Guide students, please be ready. Second year and third year. Bangaru Varalakshmi, second BTech Civil, 9.22 CGPA. Kadiyam Akhila, EEE. Narendra Raju, Geeta, Girija Surya, Dharma Teja, Naga Pavan, Rohit, Himabindu, Harshita, Padmavati from CSE DS, Harshita from CSE DS, Himabindu from CSE AIML, Third year students, please be ready. Guide. Chaitanya, Samir, Satish, Venku Naidu, Sai Santoshi. Please come in this sequence. Chaitanya, Samir from Civil. Satish from Triple E. Venku Naidu from Mechanical. Santoshi from ECE. Naganjali, CSE with 9.12 CGPA. Kavya Shri from AME, 9.13 CGPA. Vamsi Krishna from Mining. Sapna Kumari from Petroleum. Ravi Chandu, CSE AIML, 9.2 CGPA. Rupa Mallika from CSE DS, 9.27 CGPA. Sumashri from CSE Cyber Security, 8.8 CGPA. Congratulations to all the students. Please come forward along with your parents. Next, I'm going to call pharmacy students. From first year, Pushpa with 9.38 CGPA. Durga Nagalakshmi from M-Farm, 8.09 CGPA. Venkata Vaishnavi, Pharma D,
Hello.
87%. Please come forward.
పర్లేదు చెప్పు నేను ఓకే సరే అయితే బాయ్
Veera Gayatri from second year B Pharmacy, 8.45 CGPA. Reddy Kirti, Pharma D, 83%. Congratulations, students. Applause, please. Claps, students. Third year, Panda Bandeshwar Rao, B Farm, 8.53 CGPA. Lakshmi Pavani, Pharma D, 84%. Now, fourth year students. Gyanendra Sai Kumar, Pharma D, 85%. Fifth year, Divya Sai Shri, 86%. Claps please, students. Encourage the toppers. GEC students, please be ready. A Sadhana, M.Tech, 6.48 CGPA. Sri Lakshmi from MCA, 9.33 CGPA. Manisha from CSE, 9.33 CGPA. Hanshika Devi from AIML, 9.05 CGPA. Ganesh from Mechanical. Ganesh from Mechanical.
హలో బ్రో అది కెమెరా తెస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు
Pavni Surya from ECE.
అదే మీరు కెమెరా ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత
Pavni Surya, ECE.
వెడ్డింగ్ ఉంది. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ బ్రో.
Kaja Leela, IT.
ఉన్నాను ఈవెంట్లోనే.
Kaja Leela from IT.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Mannam Monica from Data Science. Mannam Monica from Data Science.
హలో అమ్మకి ఏమో ఫోను.
I request parents also to accompany the students.
ఒక అరగంటకు వస్తానంటున్నాడు కెమెరా. ఒక అరగంటతో గంట అనుకోపని.
Now second year students, please be ready.
ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత నాకు మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేసి తెచ్చినట్టు.
Bellamkonda Rajesh
నేను ఫోన్
from
చేసి
ECE.
మెసేజ్ పెట్టినా పర్లేదు.
Durga Prashant from CSE. Ram Charan from IT. Shiva Ganesh from Mechanical. Shiva Ganesh from Mechanical. Now third year students, please be ready from GEC. Durga Venkata Satya Sai. Durga Venkata Satya Sai. Sai Shushma, please be ready. Sharmila D, be ready. Kokulu Teja from Mechanical. Congratulations, students. Next, degree college students, please be ready. Degree college students, Tanagela Siri, BSc CS. Lakshmi Tejasvi MTech STE. I request parents also to accompany with the students. Lakshmi Tejasvi MTech STE. Chitikala Vamsi MTech CAT. Krishnaveni D. Satya, Yamini Rishita. Now second year, Yagna Meenakshi from BSc CS. Veerababu, BSc Animation. Veerababu from BSc Animation. Mardana Jhanshi, BSc Forensic Science. Rohit Sai Kumar, BSc Physics. Sirisha Latashri from BCA. Sirisha Latashri from BCA. Praneeth from BBA. Praneeth from BBA. Satya Sai Lakshmi from BBA. Lavanya from BCom. Yagna Meenakshi, Veerababu, Jhansi, Sai Kumar, Lata Shri, Praneeth, Satya Sai Lakshmi and Lavanya. Ramya Shrivani Civil. Ramya Shrivani Civil. Indra Shri from Tripoli.
Freedom is a choice, and yet so many people decide not to be free. I'm a free bird, and I can think freely. They think we're crazy.
Pavan Aditya Mechanical. Pavan Aditya from Mechanical with 8.94 CGPA.